Go.
Good day. Good day. Good day. I'm Cadet Dioper in Padin, a third-year marine transportation student of Merchant Marine Academy of Caraga Incorporated. For this video, I will be doing the Morse code flashing light. First, I will show you the materials needed. First is bulb, second is switch, third is receptacle, unplug, wire, plywood, and screwdriver. First step, open the plug and the switch using the screwdriver to connect the wires. Connect the other side of the wire to the receptacle. Left wire is for the negative and the other one for positive. This is positive. This side is for the positive. After connecting wires, attach the receptacle and switch to the plywood. After that, test it with your bulb.